Yes, good evening. Trust you're fine and you're enjoying yourself anywhere you're connecting with me live this beautiful Wednesday evening right here in Benin City. I quickly want to take you through the progress report on how this project thus far has been. For the past few weeks, we actually kickstarted this project, and I wanted to run you through what we've been able to achieve on the day one of actually setting up the block walls from the DPC. All right, for the sake of those persons seeing this video for the very first time, this project is a five-bedroom duplex, and I think that what we aim to achieve on this project is gradually painting a picture of what is on the design. So at this point, we actually have the entrance at this point. And then you can see this beautiful two um, pillar base. There's the first pillar, and then that's the second pillar. These two pillars are actually going up to the parapet. So this is the veranda. This happens to be the veranda, and then at this point, this is the entrance of the house. This is the entrance of the house. So we have two um, well-sized window that takes us into the anteroom, and so this is actually the anteroom. So for some persons who actually do not know what an anteroom is more or less a visitor parlor. So from the anteroom, we move into the visitors toilet. So this is the visitors toilet. So if there is a visitor in the house that has nothing to do with the visitors room, the visitor can actually make use of this convenience at this point. So from this point, we get entrance into the visitors room. And so note that these two windows are going up to the parapet. These two windows are going up to the parapet, and so this is the visitors room, and then the visitors room has its convenience as well. So this is the visitors toilet and bathroom. So let's move back, and so we're back to the lobby, and at this point we have the lobby where we have our spiral staircase. So right here we're going to be having our spiral staircase at this point. So the spiral staircase is situated in this particular location, and then we have our living room. So this is our living room. So I think on the design and with what we have currently on ground, this living room is beautiful, and this living room is quite massive. So take note that these two windows right here, these two windows at this point facing the entrance of the house is also going up to the parapet. These two windows also going up to the parapet. So let's progress. And then right here we have our dining at this point. We have our dining at this point. And so from the dining, it actually leads us to the kitchen. From the dining, it actually leads us to the kitchen. And so this is the kitchen. At this point, we have the kitchen at this point. Yeah, man, still working right here. So we have the kitchen at this point. We have the kitchen window positioned right here. So um, towards this area, we're going to be having beautiful kitchen cabinet at this point. And then the door facing us right now is the kitchen store. We have the kitchen store at this point, and this is the kitchen store. And then close to it is the laundry unit. Close to it is a laundry unit, and this is the laundry unit. This is the laundry unit, and then we're back. We're back to the kitchen. The kitchen has a balcony. The kitchen has a balcony, and this is the balcony to the kitchen. A balcony to the kitchen. So let's proceed to the last room. So we have two rooms. We have two rooms downstairs, and then we have three rooms upstairs. And so this is the last room, which is the second room. So this is the second room downstairs, and also it has its convenience. And you can see what we've been able to achieve on the day one of this project. God willing, if Jesus tarries, by tomorrow, we hope to round up the lintel phase, setting up the block wall to the lintel phase of this beautiful project. And then next tomorrow, we will resume the budding of the lintel and also the pillars as well. I'm going to be keeping you posted on this project, and it's been a smooth journey thus far, working with the project team, working with the client, and then the vendors that are actually providing us with the materials on this project. For me, I think it's a privilege on being on this job, and we are open to many other jobs in line like this. So feel free to reach out to us on 070-6315-1558. And for those persons who are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, you can reach out to us. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless you.